Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to count in Japanese. So counting in Japanese is very easy. If you follow all the instructions given by me, then you will be able to count any number between 0 to 10 million. So let's get started. We will start from 0. 0 is called as Rei. Then 1 is called as Ichi. 2 is called as Ni. 3 will be San. 4 Yon or Shi. 5 Go. 6 Roku. 7 Nana or Shichi. 8 Hachi. 9 Q or Ku. 10 is Ju. Once again I am repeating. Try to speak like me. Ichi, Ni, San, Yon or Shi, Go, Roku, Nana or Shichi, Hachi, Q or Ku, Ju. Now we will learn how to count after 10, and the same pattern will be followed up to 19. And in this pattern we can use two methods. One method is splitting method, like we will split the number into 2. Like 11 is 10 plus 1. Now we have two numbers 10 and 1. 10 plus 1. So Ichi is for 1 and Ju is for 10. So that will be Ju Ichi. And according to principle of place value, I think you all must know what is place value in mathematics. We are learning from very small classes. So place value of 1 is 1 and another one is place value of 1 is 10. Like at 10's place we have 1, at 1's place also we have 1, as we have the number 11. So that will be Ju Ichi. You will get more clear picture about this in my coming lecture. So continue like this. Ju Ichi, Ju Ni, Ju San, Ju Yon, Ju Go up to 19. After that come on number 20. So we have two tens. According to place value I am telling two tens. So Ni Ju or 2 into 10. So the number is Ni Ju. Now take another number, that is 25. By splitting method, 2 into 10 plus 5. Into means multiply. 2 into 10 plus 5. So 2 is Ni. 10 is Ju. 5 is Go. Ni Ju Go. And you can see in purple box I have already written the place values of these. So place value of 5. 5 is at 1's place. So that will Go. And we have at 10th place is 2. So that will be Ni Ju. Because the place value of 2 will be 20 in 25. So the number will be Ni Ju Go. Now come on another numbers. We will speak multiples of 10. Try to speak as I am speaking. Ni Ju, San Ju, Yon Ju, Go Ju, Roku Ju, Nana Ju, Hachi Ju, Q Ju, Hyaku. Remember 100 is Hyaku. Now we will try to speak multiples of 100. Hyaku, Ni Hyaku, Sam Hyaku, Yon Hyaku, Go Hyaku, Rop Hyaku, Nana Hyaku, Hap Hyaku, Q Hyaku. See carefully, I have written some digits in pink color because these are exceptions. So try to speak exceptions behind me once again. Sambeaku for 300, Ropeaku for 600, Hapeaku for 800. Now we will try to counting after 100. Suppose take a number 111. So again by splitting method 100 plus 10 plus 1 or according to place values. So we have at ones place 1, at tens place 10, at hundreds place is 100. So value will be hyaku, ju, ichi. Please take reference of this pink box. Then only you can get the clear picture what I am trying to explain you. Now try another number, that is 282. 282. So by splitting method 2 into 100 plus 80 plus 2. So at ones place we have 2, at tens place we have 80, and at 100 place we have 2. So the number will be ni hyaku hachi ju ni. Or by splitting method 2 into 100 plus 80 plus 2, that is also very simple. So 2 into 100 ni hyaku, ni for 2 and hyaku for 100. For 80 the number will be hachiju, and for 2 that will be ni. So ni hyaku hachi ju ni. Now come on another number. These are series of 1000. So we will say sen. To 1000 we will say sen. Try to speak like I am speaking. Ni sen, san sen, yon sen, go sen, roku sen, nana sen, has sen, q sen. For 1000 that is sen. For 9000 that is q sen. Please be careful about the numbers that I have written in blue color. These are exceptions. So once again try to speak sen, ni sen, san sen, yon sen, go sen, roku sen, nana sen, has sen, q sen. Try to speak exceptions once more. San sen for 3000, has sen for 8000. Now we will go little more upwards in counting. The number is 4058. So how we will count this number? Place value for 8 is at ones place, that will hachi. Then place value of 5 is 5 tens. So go ju. 5 is go, and 10th place that will ju, that will be go ju. And place value of 4 is at 1000 place, so that will be yon sen. Yon sen go ju hachi. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to explain you, so that you can make any number you want without any hassle. Now come on man or ichiman, that is 10,000. Suppose we have to make a number 11,001. That will be 11,000 plus 1,001. And in this parrot box I have written place values also. So at ones place we have 1, then at thousands place we have 1000, and 10,000 place we have 10,000. So the number will be ichiman is sen ichi. Ichiman is sen ichi. Repeat after me. Ichiman is sen ichi. So in higher numbers we can use is sen instead of sen. So here I have used is sen. Ichiman is sen ichi. Now I have taken another example, 19,076. So we have 6 ones, 7 tens, 9 thousands and 1 at the 10,000 place. So the number will be Ichiman Q Sen Nana Juroku, and I have splitted also these numbers to 10,000, then 9,000, then 76. So that way also the number will be same. Ichiman, Kyusen, Nana, Ju, Roku. Ichiman for 10,000, Kyusen, 9,000, 76, Nana, Ju, Roku. Now I have compared two numbers. Look carefully at both the numbers, then you will know how to make larger numbers. So first number is 21,000, that is 20,000 plus 1,000. I have splitted these both numbers and in the parrot box place values are written. So at the thousands place we have 1,000 and at the 10,000s place we have 2, that will be 20,000. So the value will be Ni Man Sen. Then the next number is 2,22,000. So in this pattern this value is very large. So here place value method will not be followed as written below in the parrot box. Please take reference of this box. So this number will be Ni Sen, Ni Man, Ni Ju. So we will say it Ni Ju, Ni Man and Ni Sen. The number will be Ni Ju, Ni Man, Ni Sen. Ni Ju for 20, then after that 20,000, after that 2,000. So split these numbers accordingly to every large number as written below. We will follow the above pattern. Now some more numbers. So for 1 lakh it is Juman. For 10 lakh like 1 million that will be Yakuman, and for 10 million that will be Sen Man. Be aware of the commas that I have used so that you can get reference very easily how to make larger numbers too. I hope you all must understood what I was trying to tell you. So please follow these instructions, then you will be able to make the counting in the same manner and you can count any number in Japanese. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe and share my channel only if you really like my content. Thank you. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.